In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a foreign currency in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips so your new currency is ready to use on invoices, bills, and bank accounts. Start by signing in to your Xero organization. At the top of the screen, look for your organization name. Click it to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. If you don't see settings, you may not have the right permissions, or you might be using a plan that doesn't include multiple currencies. In that case, check with your Xero subscriber or advisor. Inside settings, head to the accounting area and select currencies. This is your currency management page. Here, you'll see your base currency and any other currencies already active in your organization, along with current exchange rates. Think of this page as home base for anything related to exchange rates and currency availability. Next, click Add Currency. Xero will open a picker where you can choose from a list of supported currencies. In the selection field, start typing the name of the currency or its three-letter code, like USD for US dollars or EUR for euros. Be sure you pick the correct one for your region. For example, there are multiple dollar and franc currencies with different codes. A quick double check here helps prevent mix-ups later. After you've highlighted the currency you want, confirm your choice by clicking Add Currency again. Xero will add it to your active list right away. You should now see it appear alongside your base currency with an exchange rate displayed. Xero maintains rates automatically, but you can always review or update historic rates if you need precise figures for dated transactions. A few practical notes as you wrap up. Adding a currency makes it available in key places across Xero, including new invoices and bills, as well as bank accounts you set up in that currency. If you open a draft invoice or bill after this step, you should now be able to pick the new currency from the currency dropdown. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh your browser to reload the latest settings. Also remember that while you can add and manage many currencies, your base currency is set at the organization level and isn't changed from this screen. That's it. You clicked your organization name, opened settings, went to accounting, selected currencies, chose add currency, picked your currency, and confirmed. You're ready to transact confidently in multiple currencies across Xero.